Hi, welcome to Slow English with Brian. I'm Brian. In this video, we will do a vocabulary test for the A2 level. If you can answer 7 or more of these vocabulary questions correctly, your vocabulary is probably at the A2 level or higher. Let's start. Question 1. What is the main ingredient in a sandwich? Water, bread, rice, or soup? This is a sandwich, so the correct answer is bread. Question 2. Which of these is a fruit? A carrot, an apple, a potato, or lettuce? These are fruits, so the correct answer is an apple. Question 3. Which of these is not a drink? Juice, cake, a milkshake, or lemonade? We can drink juice, a milkshake, and lemonade. So the answer is cake. Question 4. Which of these do you need to travel by plane? A ticket, a pan, a map, or a bicycle? The correct answer is a ticket. If you said map, I understand, but you don't need a map, but you do need a ticket to get on the plane. My family and I went on a plane with my young daughter. She did not have a map, but she did have a ticket. 5. What do you call the person who travels for fun? A pilot, a passenger, a driver, or a tourist? The answer is a tourist. The other people do travel, but it may or may not be for fun. A tourist travels for fun. 6. What is the opposite of fast? Quiet, small, slow, or expensive? The correct answer is slow. This rabbit is fast, and this turtle is slow. 7. What is the opposite of dark? Heavy, bright, soft, or light? The correct answer is bright. This room is dark, and this room is bright. If you said light, I understand, but this word light is a noun. It's not an adjective. Bright and dark are adjectives, so they are opposites. 8. Which of these animals has fur? A snake, a bird, a cat, or a fish? The correct answer is a cat. These animals have fur. So, if you said a bird, that's not quite right because birds don't have fur. They have feathers, like these birds. 9. What do you call your mother's father? Uncle, grandfather, cousin, or brother? The correct answer is grandfather. If you see the word grand before mother or father, it means they are the mother or father of your mother or father. If you said uncle, that's almost right, but your uncle is the brother of your mother or father. 10. What do people use to clean their hair? Shampoo, toothpaste, lotion, or perfume? The correct answer is shampoo. Shampoo looks like this. We use toothpaste for our teeth, lotion for our skin, and perfume for our whole body to smell nice. That's the end. How well did you do? Please tell me in the comments. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.